Now we have to solve one more question of an hash map and sets. So the second question is unique number of occurrence. Okay, so in this question there is given a vector array, and to you just have to check the occurrence of the each element. Okay, each element. If the occurrence is unique, then you just have to return true, and if it is not, then you just have to return false. So occurrence means the number of time the element is existing in a vector or an array. So 1, 2, 3. So 1 occurred 3 times, and 2 occurred 2 times, and 3 occurs 1 time. So the occurrence is 3, 2, 1. So no two element having a same number of occurrence. So you just have to return the true. So in 1 and 2, 1 occurs 1 time and 2 occurs 1 time. So both the occurrence is same, means 1 and 2 existing 1 time. So you just have to return false. Their occurrence should be unique. Their occurrence means how many times they are existing in a vector. So let's understand with an example. So 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1 and 3. So how many times 1 exists? Here is a count. Here is count. The 1 exists 3 times, 2 exists 2 times, and 3 exists 1 time. Okay, so the count is, all the count is unique. Here is 3, here is 2, and here is 1. So you just have to return true because all the count is unique. So you have to return true. And then 1 and 2. 1 occur, here will be, I will store the count. 1 occur 1 time, 2 occur 2 time, 2 also occur 1 time. Okay, so both the element occur 1 time, so they are not unique. Okay, not unique. So you just have to return false. The same way, for this you just have to count all the elements, how many times they are existing. So here is 10, not, yeah, 10. So for -3, 0, 1 and 10, -3 occur 1, 2, 3. It occurs 3 times, and 0 occurs 1, 2, 2 times, and 1 occurs 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times, and 10 occurs only 1 time. Okay, so they all are unique. No two values are repeating here. Count value is not repeating, so you just have to return true because the occurrence is unique. So you just have to return true. Okay, so how can you do this? I will create a map of int size, and I will count the frequency, and I will check if the frequency is matching with any other element. Then I just have to return false, and if it is not, then you just have to return the true. Okay, so how can I do this? So let's do int n equals to array dot size, unordered map int comma int mp, and then for int I equals to 0, I less than, and then I plus plus, you have to do mp of array of I plus plus and then you just have to add unordered set comma int s. Okay, and then for I will create a set for auto x and mp and frequency equals to x dot second, and you just have to check if s dot find frequency is not equals to s dot end, then you just have to return false. Okay, else if it is not exist in a set, then you just have to do s dot insert frequency. And after this loop you just have to return true. Okay, so let's run this code. Oh, spelling of return is wrong. Let's again run this. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.